For more videos, please subscribe to RK Math. Students, the next one is standard form of a circle. Suppose the equation of the circle with the center at origin. This is the circle with the center at origin. This is the center 0 0 origin, and the radius is small r. This is the radius r. Now equation of the circle is the equation of the circle center with origin means 0 0 and radius small r is the formula x square plus y square is equal to r square. This is the standard form of the circle. Suppose an example, the equation of the circle at the center origin and radius 3 is, center is at origin and radius is 3, then equation of the circle is x square plus y square is equal to r square. R square means 3 square. That implies x square plus y square is equal to 9. The equation ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 represents a circle. This is the second degree equation in x and y, because this degree is 2, so second degree equation. So second degree equation in x and y. So any second degree equation represents a circle, then the conditions it should follow. The first one is coefficient of x square is equal to coefficient of y square. That means a is equal to b and not equal to 0. A, b values, both x square coefficient and y square coefficients are both same. It should be same, but not equal to 0. This is the first condition. Next, the second one is coefficient of xy is equal to 0. That means h value is equal to 0. This is the second condition. Next, the third condition is radius is greater than or equal to 0. What is the radius? G square plus f square minus AC greater than or equal to 0. So, one objective type question. If 2x square plus by square plus 4x minus 6y minus 1 is equal to 0 represents a circle. Then b is equal to, options are given. The first one is 2, second one is 3, third one is 1, and the fourth one is 0. See, this is the second degree equation. Any second degree equation represents a circle. Just I said coefficient of x square is equal to coefficient of y square. This is the first condition. What is the x square coefficient? 2. Y square coefficient is b. So b is equal to 2. So this is the answer. So first option is correct. One more question. If 2x square plus hxy plus by square plus 3x minus 2y minus 2 is equal to 0 represents a circle, then h comma b is equal to, we have to find the two values, h value and b value. Options are given like that. The first one is h is equal to 0, b is equal to 2. The second one is h is equal to 1, b is equal to 2. The third one is h is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 2. And the fourth one is h is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 3. Now solution. Any second degree equation represents a circle. Coefficient of x square is equal to coefficient of y square. X square coefficient 2, y square coefficient b. So b is equal to 2. Next, one more condition I set. Coefficient of xy is equal to 0. Xy coefficient means here h is equal to 0. So h0, b2. This is the answer, final answer. H is equal to 0, b is equal to 2. General form of the circle. General form of the circle. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This is the general form of the circle. This is the general form of the circle equation. Here x square coefficient and y square coefficients both are equal, because x square coefficient 1 and y square coefficient is also 1. There is no h coefficient. That means xy coefficient is 0. H term is 0. Just now I said x square coefficient is equal to y square coefficient and coefficient of xy is equal to 0. Then it represents a circle. So it is a general form of the circle. Its center is minus g minus f. See, simply x coefficient divide with 2 and y coefficient divide with 2, put negative symbols. If there is a positive here, we will get negative. If there is a negative symbols, we will get positive symbols here. That means coefficient of minus of coefficient of x by 2 minus of coefficient of y by 2. Now radius r is equal to under root of g square plus f square minus c. This is the formula to find the radius. This is the formula to find the center for the general equation of the circle. Suppose one example, find the center and radius of circle. 3x square plus 3y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 4 is equal to 0. We have to compare with this equation. This equation we have to compare with the general form of the circle. X square coefficient actually 1, but here x square coefficient is 3. Y square coefficient 1 here, but y square coefficient is 3. So take 3 common here. X square plus y square, 6x by 3 means 2x plus 4 by 3y minus 4 by 3 is equal to 0. Now center. Center is equal, just now I said x coefficient divided with 2 minus 2 divided with 2 minus 1. Minus of minus 1 plus 1. Next, this is 4 by 3 divided with 2. Once again, minus 2 divided with 2, 4 by 3 divided with 2. This is equal to, this is minus of minus is 1. This is 2 1s are 2 2s are minus 2 by 3. 1 comma minus 2 by 3. Radius r is equal to under root of g square. I said formula g square plus f square minus c. Here see, this is 2g is equal to minus 2. G is equal to minus 1. 2f is equal to 4 by 3. F is equal to 2 by 3. Now c is equal to minus 4 here. Therefore g square minus 1 square, f square 2 by 3 whole square, minus c, minus of minus plus 4. Sorry, this is c means 4 by 3. This is equal to under root of 1 plus 4 by 9 plus 4 by 3. This is LCM is 9. 9 plus 4 plus 3, 3s are 9. 3 into 4, 12. 12 plus 9, 21. 21 plus 4, 25. Root 25 by 9. This is 5 by 3. That is the final answer. So center is 1 comma minus 2 by 3 and radius is 5 comma 3.